Hello, my name is John Nagoski, and I'm a native speaker of English from Wisconsin in the USA. I would like to introduce to you my English reading channel with questions and answers. Scientists identify moon-forming disk around planet outside solar system. Scientists say they have clearly identified, for the first time, a moon-forming area around a planet beyond our solar system. The ring-shaped area surrounds an exoplanet called PDS-70c. An exoplanet is a planet that orbits a star outside our solar system. The identified region is known as a circumplanetary disk. This is an area surrounding a planet where moons and other satellite objects can form. The disk is made up of gas and dust. Researchers from the ALMA Observatory, which operates from Chile's Atacama Desert, made the discovery. ALMA is the largest radio telescope in the world. Astronomers had previously found signs of moon-forming disks around this exoplanet and others. They say, however, that in the past they were not able to clearly differentiate the disk from the surrounding environment. The team says the new finding may help scientists better understand how moons and planets form in young star systems. Their results were recently published in a study in the Astrophysical Journal Letters. Miriam Benesty is a researcher who helped lead the study for the University of Grenoble in France and the University of Chile. Our work presents a clear detection of a disk in which satellites could be forming, she said in a statement. Benesty added that the ALMA observations provided results of such high quality that we could clearly identify that the disk is associated with the planet. PDS-70c is a gas giant discovered in 2019, the U.S. Space Agency NASA says. It is one of two exoplanets orbiting the orange-colored star PDS-70. The exoplanets sit about 370 light-years from Earth. A light-year is the distance light travels in a year, about 9.5 trillion kilometers. Both planets are similar to Jupiter, a gas giant and the biggest planet in our solar system. The disk's diameter is comparable to the Sun-to-Earth distance and has enough mass to form up to 3 satellites the size of the Moon that orbits Earth, the researchers said in a statement. Scientists say stars are born within clouds of interstellar gas and dust spread throughout galaxies. Leftover material circling a new star can then form a planet. Circumplanetary disks surrounding some planets can similarly form moons. Scientists have discovered more than 4,400 exoplanets, but no circumplanetary disks had been clearly identified until now because all known exoplanets were contained in mature or fully developed solar systems. The PDS-70 star, which has about the same mass as our Sun, is about 5 million years old. The researchers say that is considered very young in cosmic terms. The two exoplanets orbiting the star are even younger. Both exoplanets are still in their youth, said study co-writer Stefano Faccini of the European Southern Observatory. He added that the planets were going through a period where their atmospheres are still being built. The researchers said there could be other planets in the system that have not yet been discovered. Benisti said the long-awaited discovery is important in order to test the theory of planet formation and directly observe the birth of planets and other satellites. Quiz. Number 1. What does the story say can happen in the area known as the circumplanetary disk? A. Moons can combine with other satellite objects. B. Atmospheric conditions can block moon growth. C. Moons and other satellite objects can form. D. High temperatures destroy most kinds of matter. Number 2. Why had astronomers not been able to clearly identify moon-forming disks before? A. The right observation equipment was not available to make clear identifications. B. The disk could not be clearly differentiated from the surrounding environment. C. No other exoplanets were observed that contained signs of moon-forming disks. D. The disk was not bright enough to be observed by land-based telescopic equipment. How did the researchers say the new finding might help scientists? A. To get a better count of all existing exoplanets. B. To explain how disks affect a planet's atmosphere. C. To improve the study of disks in our own solar system. D. To better understand how moons and planets form. What did the scientists say makes it possible for stars to form? A. Molecular clouds. B. Gas and dust. C. Dust and fluid. D. All of the above.